A very good morning from Khandwala Securities Limited and welcome to Wednesday's trading action at Dalal Street dated June 8, 2022. In early action, SGX Nifty seen trading water indicating bulls will struggle to make a mark at Dalal Street. The theme of the day revolves around RBI monetary policy outcome to trickle in at 10 am. Please note RBI had already increased rates by 40 basis points in May 2022. Cash reserve ratio was also increased by 50 basis points to bring it to 4.50%. The street suspects RBI will go for another 40 basis point rate hike. That said, RBI could also prefer to go slow on rate hikes on backdrop of the government to responding to the inflation risks. The recent announcement on fuel tax cuts and reduction of import duties on edible oils will provide some comfort to the RBI. Please note India's retail inflation surged 8-year high to 7.79% in April, breaching the upper limit of RBI's target range for the fourth consecutive time. The surge was largely driven by rising fuel and food prices. Long story short, RBI will focus more on inflation than on growth. Along with the RBI outcome, the street will also have to face the wrath of several other negative catalysts like first, World Bank slashes 2022 global growth forecast to 2.9%. Second, WTI oil rises to $120 a barrel, now near 14-year high. Third, World Bank cuts India's GDP growth forecast to 7.5%. Fourth, the yield on the 10-year US Treasury note flirts around the 3% levels. Long story short, bears have a bright chance to step in on any intraday bounce. Despite a volatile backdrop, our chart of the day suggests Tata Power on the buy side with interweek or intermonth perspective. Technically speaking, bears may turn bulls only if Nifty closes above its biggest hurdles at 16,795 mark. On the downside, the line in the sand is at Nifty's support at 16,321 mark, Nifty's 200 DMA at 17,269 mark. We expect Nifty to trade volatile and choppy for the day. The Nifty options data for June series suggests Nifty is likely to be in a trading range of 16,000 to 17,000 zone. Maximum call open interest is at 17,500 followed by 17,000 strike price. So 17,000 mark would be Nifty's crucial resistance zone. Maximum put open interest stands at 16,000 levels followed by 15,500 levels. Call writing was seen at 16,500 and then at 16,600 strike price, while there was meaningful put writing at 16,500 and then at 16,600 strike price. In yesterday's trade, FIS sold shares worth Rs 2,293.98 crores, while DIS bought shares worth Rs 1,311.14 crores. That's all we have for now. For any queries, do contact us at 022-4076-7373 and do visit our website www.kslindia.com. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that the stocks mentioned in this podcast are only for educational purpose. Khandwala Securities Limited or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on the stocks mentioned in this podcast.